Welcome to the Leading Site News.
Hello and welcome back to the Leading Site News. This is Kolom Singteron and reporting live from Don Bosco School, Jirikindeng, West Karbi, Anglong. Well, the school is hosting the annual Sports Meet 2025. So we are here to collect all the details regarding the sports meets, which is organized by the Don Bosco School, Jirikindeng, West Karbi, Anglong. Don Bosco School Jirikindeng hosts annual Sports Meet 2025, a celebration of sportsmanship and talent. The annual Sports Meet 2025 at Don Bosco School Jirikindeng was a grand success, showcasing the school commitment to fostering sportsmanship, teamwork, and healthy competition among the students. The event was a vibrant celebration of athleticism, talent, and school spirit, with the students from different classes participating enthusiastically in various events. The program began with a warm welcome address by Reverend Father Navin Soningti, Principal of Don Bosco School, Jirikindeng, setting the tone for an exciting day of sports. The welcome song and prayer dance performed by students added a touch of the cultural richness to the event, showcasing the school's diverse talents. Dr. Bibison Rongpi, the esteemed chief guest, and Samson Ingti Jr., singer, the guests of honor, added a prestige to the event with their presence. Their inspiring words and encouragement motivated the students to strive for excellence in sports and life. The students' participations in various events was truly impressive, demonstrating their athletics, teamwork, and school spirit. The annual Sports Meet 2025 was a testament to the school commitment to nurturing well-rounded individuals who excel in both academics and extracurricular activities.
सावधान परेड कदम चलेगा कदम ताल
Welcome to all, welcome to
stand with a very noble and highly commendable service which demonstrate his commitment and a true heart for the betterment and bright future of all students of the backward area. And to our guest of honor, Sir Samson Singingti, a famous Karbi singer, and we are waiting for him to sing for us the best Karbi song this afternoon. Are you ready to listen? Even myself, I'm very eager to listen. And we have Sir Kolom Singh Teron, correspondent, and the Leading Site News, also the KKS Karbi Catholic Samarasong President from Koilamati Parish, Also, we have Sir Sanjit Crow, the correspondent to Karbi Anglong Live, Drongo Express. Dear chief guests and dear guests of honor, we are deeply honored by your presence here this afternoon. Your achievements and dedication inspire our young athletes, and we are grateful that you have sacrificed your time and energy.
So before delivering my speech, let me ask you one, two questions. Is it okay? Yes. Okay. Are you all hungry? No. Are you all thirsty? No. Okay. Are you all boring? No. Okay. One last question. How is it going? I mean, how are you all? Fine. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Respected principal of this institution, Reverend Father Navincent, Vice Principal of this institution, Reverend Father Jonathan, Headmistress, Reverend Sister Lily, Sister Amy, Sister Agatha, teaching staff, non-teaching staff, my companions, their students and their parents. To begin with, grateful to Reverend Father Navincent and Reverend Father Jonathan for inviting me as a guest on this auspicious occasion. And extremely delighted and elated to be a part of this event. As we could not start a program on time, as most of you might be hungry and thirsty or whatever, so I will not prolong my speech.
Administrator Sister Lily and our most beloved and my friend, Dr. Bibisan Rompi, the principal of Longmyur Jain College, Tetagat, Kokmuga, and our singer, Mr. Samson Inting, and Mr. Kolom Singh Teron, and Mr. Kro Sangho, and all of you present here. I'm very excited and very happy that we are able to conclude this inaugural ceremony of the annual Sports Meet 2025. It's all because of God's grace and your support and collaboration and your commitment and hard work. So I'm here to say thank you to all of you present here. In the first place, beginning with our principal, Sister Lily, the headmistress, and the teaching staff, and all of you, my dear student friends and brothers and sisters, and our chief guests and the guest of honor, and all of us, and particularly those who are behind the stage for the success and the grateful completion of this inaugural function. I'm very grateful to all of you. And you know, in the beginning of the program, this ceremony, Father Navincent has introduced to all of you the chief guest and the guest of honor. Sir Dr. Bibisan Rompi. Both of us were classmate, batchmate, and friend. We were together only for 6 years in the school, but till then, we have a good contact and we have a good relationship with each other. Both of us were still united, and therefore it is because of that continued relationship today he is here. He's a very brilliant man, very talented, very knowledgeable, and the knowledge that he imbibed is very practical. And today he has shown in our midst. All of us have gained so much insight from him, and we wish him all the best and see you in the next program in the school here. And dear sir, singer Samson Inti. I have come to know him in the month of January in Chokihola. I have met him face to face and I have heard him singing a song, and then for 2 times on my journey to Thifu and even returning back to Jirikindeng, I have met him twice.